The Digital Scene Show is sponsored by Light Panels, makers of the world-renowned Emmy Award-winning green-friendly LED lighting systems. Check them out at lightpanels.com. Seto, welcome to the Digital Scene Show here at Adobe Max 2009.
Thank you for having me.
And you are with Nokia.
Yes, that's correct.
Now maybe you can tell us a little about the Open Screen project?
Well, the Open Screen project is basically Adobe consortium with a few hardware developers together. What we're trying to do is to bring different applications to different screen size, so mobile or big screen like this.
I see. So you guys are funding projects, or what is it exactly that you guys are, and is it you and Adobe or just yourself?
Yeah, so this Open Screen Project Fund is between Nokia and Adobe.
Okay.
Each company put in $5 million, so a total of $10 million. And the idea is to fund developer who has good ideas on flashlight application, mobile flash applications. So between now, from February this year to now, we have over 800 submissions, and we have funded about roughly 30 plus companies doing their flashlight applications.
And what kind of stuff are you guys looking for? What is cool, or what raises the flag where you give money to a developer to do?
Yeah, from our perspective, if the application has a mobile aspects to it, like for example, location-based or social contact-based, or just capturing your environment, and that's something innovative in the sense of mobility, then we're really happy and excited about those projects.
So what kind of trends are you seeing out there? What is hot out there now?
Oh, definitely location-based and social networking, people and places.
So mixing both of them together,
yes.
Social networking with location-based.
Right, so Nokia is all about connecting people, right? So now we have location-aware devices with the Adobe Flash technology on our phone. We can combine everything together and have the seamless experience for our users.
I see. And do all your mobile phones support Flash?
We have over 400 million mobile phones supporting Flash technology today on the market.
I see. And are there any separate technologies that a developer has to learn to develop for Flash for the mobile phone versus regular desktop Flash?
Well, majority of our phones support Flash Lite, which is very similar to Flash, so it's not a huge learning curve there.
Okay. Now if people want to find out more about the consortium, where do they go to?
OpenScreenProject.org.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Good to meet you.
Thank you.